Hi, this is Canadian Alarms with the quarter panel, or something like that, I guess. It's a miniature panel. So, actually, let's see how big it is. Let's get a tape measure. Let's tape measure. 8.5 by 8.5 by 8.5 by 8.5. 8.5 by 8.5 by 8.5 metric. Or imperial, whatever you call it. Down 6 o'clock. This is Canada, so this is Canadian. So what we'll do, there's 3 buttons. Drill, reset, silence. So I'll represent by the 270 ASPO Edwards. No brake rod. It's a newer Edwards. So cool. And then no? Okay, they're not just random screwdriver. There it is. Now, so it is reset, and it's still going. There's a latching relay, and there's silence, and reset. This is what it looks like inside. You got your strobe neck, your horn neck, and your IEC, your latching relay, your power coming in, goes through the reset, goes to the relay, goes, yeah. Yeah, so this, I might take this to California with us. I don't know how well it's going to go across the border. So, well, this is Canadian Alarms. Oh yeah, by the way, it just switches on and off. Comparing like the Edwards 2280 over here, this one just, the second, you know, the resistance goes up and down, you know, it goes into alarm. It varies. If it's addressable, it goes send internet signals. I don't know. Alarms. This system sensor mini horn. It's broken, I guess.